So guys, you probably got this error because your Nintendo Switch has been banned. There is no official appeal process, so the only thing that you can do is you need to go to the Nintendo contact website. Just go to any web browser and then type in contact Nintendo. You want to go to the website for your country. For me, I'm in the UK, so I'm going to go to the Nintendo UK website. If you're in America or Canada, then that website should appear for you as well. So you just want to go to your country's website. Every country's website might look different, but the steps are pretty much going to be the same. You just want to find the Contact Nintendo form. So in my case, I'm going to choose my region of residence and my country of residence. Now I'm going to select Continue. Now once you're on this, you want to find something along the lines of Nintendo account. Again, it might look different for your website, but in your case, just find the option which says Nintendo account on it. You want to click on that. Again, I'm going to select Nintendo account. And now I'm going to scroll down till I find Other. I'm going to click on that. And it now says Contact Nintendo Support. You want to find something like this. Now once you find it, you want to click on it. And now a form should come up. You want to fill in all of these details, and then once you get to description of the issue, you can talk about how you were probably falsely banned, how you didn't break the terms of service, or just anything that you want to add over here. Once you do all of that, we're now going to scroll down again. You can now fill in your contact details. And then you can select Send us an email. There may also be some alternate contact methods that are available, such as call us or chat with us. You should get a response back from Nintendo. Hopefully, they will unban your Nintendo Switch.